Hello everyone. How can we trust a supplier? The fish trade is going crazy recently, and there are many sellers on Alibaba. Some are factories and some are trading companies. Can you rely on the trading companies? Can they provide your product on time and with the same price you confirmed with them? In fact, only factory can control your production. The price of this fish trade change every day from factories because there are many needs from Philippines. Even all the factories cannot supply plenty products the Philippine customers required. So if you make your order from a trading company, you will have problem. If the price is lower, the trading company cannot buy it from factory. Then your shipping time will be delayed. Nobody will know when it can be shipped. Then you need to add your cost. And how can we trust the factory is the same factory supplier you the fish shed? You can check from this video. We can print your company name or your name with the paper. We can show you around our factory with your company name. Then you can trust you are working with the direct factory. Everything is under control. You can benefit with this order. And there are some other buyers asking for cash on delivery. In fact, on Alibaba, no supplier will offer cash on delivery service. So if you want to work with Chinese supplier, you need to pay in advance. And trade on Alibaba is the best way. They are third party. They have trade assurance service. If you do not confirm the reception of the goods, the supplier will not get the money you pay. Your money is safe because it's in Alibaba account. It's with control. But if you send your money in advance to supplier, they may make problems. They will say, "Oh no, your price is too low. We don't have the stock. We can't send you." Or they will delay your shipping time, maybe 15 days, maybe 1 month. It's a scam. And if you have any other request of this fish trade, please contact us.